So the mission of Unidos is very broadly to address the needs and provide opportunities for Latinos in the U.S. We're the largest Hispanic advocacy and civil rights organization in the U.S. They're a strong part of what's made America great, and we want to try to encourage that and provide them more opportunities to do so. My official title is Principal for Data and Analytics. We work through a network of local affiliates. So we have about 300 affiliates across the U.S. It's almost $4.3 billion in revenue. So you can imagine it's a pretty sizable group, and we'll get a big grant from a foundation or a government agency or a corporation, and then we'll parcel out the smaller sub-grants for partnering with these different nonprofits. And so they're not sub-chapters. We have no command or control. But the point being is that they are our eyes and our ears in the community as well as our hands and our feet, right? And so when we get data from what they were doing, it was just a sea of spreadsheets, right? Tracking the information about those affiliates, like where they were, the contact information, the addresses, all that kind of stuff, right? And so when I got there, sea of Excel, right? Like nothing but Excel. And so first thing popped to my mind is Quickbase, of course, right? I've been working on it for literally almost 20 years, right? I started in 2006, and it's my go-to tool for everything, right? But especially when you have that situation where you have a bunch of spreadsheets and you're running out of it, but you don't have enough money or budget or time to create some custom application, or it's a small niche kind of need, and Quickbase is an ideal for that. So it's really helped us to ramp up quickly from that. Irrespective of the man hours and capacity we've increased, we've been able to just directly plop in, replace, I think it was something like $80,000 a year in licenses they were paying for other systems that weren't really even working that well. They're off-the-shelf systems for certain functions that we replaced with Quickbase apps. So now we're much more of a data-driven decision-making organization, right? Where the data now, because of Quickbase, is a lot easier to get at, it's a lot easier to gather. And so now it gets out of our way. We can actually do something with that data where we weren't before. And so, it's hard to quantify a revolution like that.